sleeping. Shut up.
Well, not anymore.
Sleeping?
You're trying to.
That was.
Can you repeat that, Kelly? Rosalie!
Second time, Callie. This thing is so sharp. I keep on bumping my head.
And that's Margie. And show Zeus. Zeus! It's the hippopotamus.
He's actually a zebra.
He's a zebra. Hippopotamus.
He's too obese.
Right, Karine?
Yes.
Hippopotamus.
That's not how you say it.
Say it. Say it.
Hippopotam.
What?
Duh.
Say hippopotamus with a French accent.
Hippopotamus.
Rosa, say hippopotamus with a Korean accent.
Hippopotamus.
So ridiculous. Repeat it.
Hippopotamus.
Korean, say it. Hippopotamus.
Oh, Emo. Let's say it.
Hippopotamus. Rosa, go again.
Oh, look who's talking. New French accent again.
And French is not funny. Korean is go. Go.
The French Brit is massacrating.
Ow, your bony ass is in my legs, my calves.
American bitch.
Get off of me.
Huh?
Rosa, say it again.
I don't understand you.
Go.
Margie,
Can you kill me?
Before you brush your teeth?
I don't
understand your question. Please say it.
I'm suffocating. Do you understand that?
Oh, go.
Hippopotamus.
That is so cute.
Understand your question. I'm gonna put this on YouTube.